Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete transaction history in GCash. So let's get started. GCash does not provide a direct feature to delete transaction history within the app, but you typically can't directly delete the individual transaction, but you can clear your entire transaction history by contacting the GCash customer support. Open the any web browser on your mobile device and navigate to the GCash customer support. After you reach there, look for the options related to the account management, privacy, or transaction history and find the option to contact customer support. This might be through email, live chat, or a phone number. Then, once you have contacted the customer support, explain that you would like to delete your transaction history and provide any necessary information they ask for to verify your identity and account ownership. Then, follow the customer support instructions and confirm deletion if required. After submitting a request, wait for confirmation from GCash that your transaction history has been deleted. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.